You lying. Hey guys, it's Brittany again. Shout out to YouTube users James Bond and Go Getta 876. I was told to do the no burping challenge, so supposedly I'm supposed to drink carbonated beverage without burping. So as y'all may know, I don't do soda. The exception was the diet Sprite that I did for the banana and Sprite challenge. So I'm doing soda water. So to prove to you all that it is actually soda water, I'll show you it's how carbonated this is. Watch. Told ya, I wasn't lying. Look at that. So to make it harder, ooh, you're lying. Going to pour it into this, however many I'm gonna have to drink, and I'm gonna attempt to do it with no hands and no burping, but anyone that knows me knows that I can just burp on demand, like that. So I don't know how this challenge will go, but no burping challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. That burns. It burns! Ow! The burning in my eye. Ow! And I already have to burp. Ow, 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 ow. That hurts. Ow. Ow, ow. That hurts your chest when you can't burp. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, screw the no hands. I'm gonna try and get all this down without burping. Ow, my eye. Ooh, ow. Ugh. Ooh, this really hurts when you can't burp. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like I can't breathe. Ooh. When I do burp, it's gonna be big. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so about 10 ounces left out of 24. Ooh. Ooh. My stomach is all bloated. Ooh. Okay, I have about 7 ounces left. 5. 3 ounces. About 1 ounce. Look at this before I burp. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so I did 24 ounces, but ooh, that hurts when you don't allow yourself to burp. But I hope I pleased you, James Bond, and Go Getta 867 or 865. Sorry if I mixed up the numbers, but send me more challenges, people. You're lying! Ow, my eye burns.